Welcome back. In today's video, we're exploring the brand new update to the Tutor LMS Quiz Importer plugin, now supporting image answering question types. If you're a course creator looking to make your quizzes more visual and interactive, this update is just what you need. Let's walk you through the step-by-step process of importing image-based questions in seconds. Go to Tutor LMS Quiz Importer settings. First, head over to the Quiz Importer settings page in your WordPress dashboard. Here, click on Download Template. This gives you a sample CSV file with all the necessary columns such as quiz title, description, question, answer options, and corresponding image URLs. Each row represents a question. Add the question text, set whether the answer is required, assign marks, and include 4 image URLs with their respective answer labels. For example, a question like identify the correct label for each image might include pictures of a sun, tree, cloud, and rain, each with its label beside it. Make sure all URLs are publicly accessible. Back in WordPress, select the filled CSV and click Import. Once your file is ready, return to the Quiz Importer, select Image Answering as the question type, and upload your completed template. Here, choose the course and lesson where you want the quiz to appear. Then click Insert. Within seconds, your visually engaging image answering quiz is now live inside the selected course lesson. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've imported a fully functional quiz with interactive image-based answers into Tutor LMS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.